YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. I'm sorry about my voice. I lost my voice the other day. It's slowly coming back. But yes, today's video I'm going to be playing with some new makeup. So if you want to see the new palette that I just got, stay tuned. Back, you guys. Yes, so I am excited to be testing out some new makeup. So I just got my palette from Twisted Beauty. It's in this packaging right here. I haven't opened it or anything. So Twisted Beauty is a makeup company. I just recently found out about them, and basically is this lady, her name is Brandy Penderglass, if I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry. And she makes her own eyeshadows, and I thought that was super awesome. She has her company, Twisted Beauty, and she makes all her own eyeshadows, and they're all paraben free, silicone free, and so forth. So I definitely wanted to try that out because I am into, you know, making your own stuff and products. Because, you know, these big companies they're never really honest as we find out about what's in their products. Not all of them, but some. So this is the palette right here. This is a different type of layout than her normal palettes. Her normal palettes are a little bit longer. This time with everything going on, you know, stuff with shipping's kind of going crazy, which I understand, and she informed me that, you know, she had to use a different type of pan for it. So here is the eyeshadows right here, and I think they're very pretty. I chose a lot of shimmer colors because that's what I like. So I'm going to do a couple swatches on my arm so we can see. So I'm going to start with the top row. Oh, they're so soft and buttery. They're very nice. So I'm going to start with this top row right here. And oh, look at that. It's super pretty. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my God. Beautiful. Oh my God. Beautiful. I cannot wait to play with these colors. Basically, look at that. So that is the top row. I'm going to do the middle row now. Oh my goodness. These are really pretty and they're very buttery. So I do like that. So here we go. It's the second row. Look at that. So pretty and pigmented because I'm barely rubbing my fingers in there. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. So let's do the last row, okay? I'm going to use my other hand. And oh, my nails. I hate when my nails get long and they dig into the shadows. But yes. Super pretty. I'm going to use this arm. And this is the last row. Oh my God, look at that. Super pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't even know which colors I want to play with because these are so pretty. Oh my God, look at that. And she stated that you don't need any primer, so I'm excited about that. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't know what color to play with, you guys, at all. We have the light blue, green, bronzy, some yellows, blue, and burgundy. Okay, I know what colors I'm going to do. So let's go. I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can get started and play with these shadows. I got you guys all zoomed in. Oops, sorry. But yes, this is so cute. I'm going to be using my new lavish brushes that I got in my my BoxyCharm base box. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll have that linked up above. But I'm going to go into this pretty purple. And we're going to use that on the crease. Yeah, she said we didn't need any primer, so we're going to try this without primer and just see what happens. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, I am loving it. Super pretty. It's blending out very nicely. Oh my gosh. They are so soft and pigmented. Can you see that? Just so soft. I am liking this 100%. Alright. And go on this other eye. Right there. This is pretty, you guys. Super pretty. She had so many pretty options to choose from too, because I got to pick out the shadows that I liked, and she just had so many. And I named my palette, y'all, and I named it, of course, Fly and Shine, because you know I love, that's my favorite saying, is stay fly and shine, because you know I feel like when I do my makeup or just put on like a cute outfit or just anything, like if I get myself did up, I'm getting, you know, fly. I feel like that I'm shining for that day. I feel like I'm at my best. I can conquer anything. So that's where that saying came from. I like to stay fly so I can shine. I mean, if I don't have my makeup on, my hair did, and I'm just like blah, I feel blah. Like I don't feel like doing anything, talking to anybody, getting out. Just want to just lay in my bed and do nothing, you know? And I mean, we all have those days, but I think that it's nice to, you know, get fly and shine. Oh. Alright, so this next one doesn't seem, or it could be the brush. So what I'm going to do with this next shadow, for some reason it doesn't seem to be applying well with the brush. So I'm going to take my fingers and apply that. That's one thing I hate, is because my nails get in the way, you guys. Nails are too freaking long. Oh, that's pretty. I think this is coming out very nice. Like, I'm really liking it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take the brush again. I don't know if I need to wet it or something or what, but the brush with this blue shadow is just not coming out. And I believe she has names for the shadows, because when I'm looking on her Facebook page for the company, there's some names for the shadows. So I'll definitely keep you posted on that. I feel like a mermaid, you guys. This is so freaking cute. I'm feeling it. So cute. So cute. Alright, so let me put my lashes and stuff on, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I got my lashes and my liner on, I'm going to take my little bullet brush, and we're going to go into the purple and go on the bottom of this lash line. And let's go about halfway. Alright. Alright, so now just take the same one, and I'm going to go into that blue I'm kind of, you see how it's coming down here. It's really pretty. And there we go. I'm gonna put some lipstick on, and I'm using my Tarte lipstick in Boardwalk. I got this in one of my beauty boxes. I'm not sure which one, but I've had it for a few months. And it's basically the same brown as my skin tone, so it just looks like a nude lip. As you see, I didn't even line my lips. So when if I don't use a lip liner and I'm trying to get like really close, all I do is I flip my lipstick over and I use the pony side and just go right there. But there we go. We are done, you guys. This is the finished look. Let me zoom you guys out. This is the finished look. I am very pleased. I think it's really, really cute. I do like the palette. It has so many pretty colors in it to play with. Very, very pretty. I'll definitely be getting some more palettes from her. She did send me this palette to check out and review, which she is a very pretty palette, but I will definitely be picking up some more shadows from her because I did like the formula. They're very soft and buttery feeling. And as you see, the pigmentation is very, very great. I did not use any primer, so we'll see if it lasts all day. But as of right now, I am feeling it. I have no issues. And yes, what do you guys think? What y'all think? Yeah, I think you guys should check out Twisted Beauty. Check them out on Facebook at Twisted Beauty. And yeah, definitely just check them out. And I will do some more review videos and some more looks because these are some pretty fun colors. I've been wanting to do a yellow look, but just not today, maybe tomorrow. So we'll see. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I did getting to play with some new brushes, which they worked out okay. Like I said, when you're using new brushes and new palettes, you got to take into consideration that they may not work together, but a different brush may work better with this palette or so forth. The blending brush worked out great. It was just this flatter brush that didn't just do too well, so no biggie. I did think these brushes were cute. This one blended out really well. This one I'm going to have to try out again with maybe a different palette and see how it works out. But as far as right now, you can never have too many eye brushes. And I am digging the palette. Super, super cute. I'll probably put like a little label on here for myself because this is my Fly and Shine palette, okay? So, yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I have for today's video. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.